Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Dope, Hot and Fresh Local Sports. We're still focusing and zooming into rugby, breaking boundaries and redefining the game. Meet Kethokuhle Vilakazi, the female coach at Mzinoni Rugby Development, a powerhouse on and off the field. She's not only shaping young boys and girls into future stars, but also making her mark as a proud player for Mpumalanga Pumas. This is her story of passion, perseverance and purpose through rugby. Let's get straight to it.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Standing before you is Kethokuhle Vilakazi. Hi to the fans of Dope, Hot and Fresh. Today we are at MD. We are visited by Witbank School in Panamba to play a friendly with MD Kovida. I started coaching Mzinoni Rugby Club last year. I was not straight coach Lapo, I was just assisting here and there, but this year I've been a straight coach from girls under 13 to under 18, same as boys under 9 to 18. The approach now to the young players, or let me say new players, is to let them know that rugby isn't that hard. It's very easy. They shouldn't be scared. So like, it's very easy. I make an example ngami myself. I'm not scared of anything and I'm not hurt, so they shouldn't be scared nabo. They should just enjoy like any other sport. So I make them understand ukuthi rugby, it's not based on ukulimala, ukudluzana nanani. No, it's not all about that. It's about to have fun as in sport nje. Indlela esibafundisa ngayo i-rugby and the skills ne-discipline kuqala kubo. They all have to kulalelana bona, but disciplinary babodwa. Before us coaches siba disciplina, and then once lalelana kwaba ne-discipline, it's easy ukuthi si communicate nabo in the field, balalele ukuthi what do they have to do, and it's not easy. I won't lie to you, but we make sure ukuthi yonke into ihamba ngendlela, bayalalela noma banzima nje banokungalaleli, but we make sure ukuthi siyakhona ukuthi sikhulumisane nabo, and we don't shout at them. We just relax, sibanike isikhathi sabo nabo ukuthi ba understand, because they are young. It's not easy for them ukuthi bavele bajwayele and all that. I started playing at AD Nkosi, coached by Coach Andy Nkosi. So we were playing as a team Mzinoni. From a team Mzinoni, we then went to a team Khatsibande. Then after Khatsibande, besiya kuma trials at Khatsibande, playing with the other regions in Kangala and Hlanzeni. And then from there, I got selected to Pumas. I started playing Pumas last year. And then this is my second year playing for Pumas. Pumas is the Mpumalanga team in Kulu. Well, to be honest, there's nothing really inspired me to start playing rugby as a player. Like Ayiko, I just got in the field, and then the more I keep on playing, it's the more I'm interested to go to sport. Like there was someone maybe who inspired me to go play rugby, or like meeting funukfana and stuff. No, there's no one. I actually is managing me. I'm gonna go for it. I won't. So yeah, I guess I inspired myself to play rugby, and I believe I will be the best, as I am the best playing for Mpumalanga right now. Still going for more. The most rewarding moment now, Mina, as a coach at Mzinoni, is that I also learned as a player. Nami ngikwazi ukufunda ukuthi kudingeka ini nani, so that you can be a coach, how to understand nabantwana. Like Kuningi ngakubala nje kuningi okunye nje kuze kuyangilahlekela but kuningi kona sikufundile as Mzinoni rugby coaches. Matches that I've coached this year, I think there are 3 or 4 somewhere there. But there's this one that we played at Barberton with our under-14s. They were very scared, but into engifundile ngabo also as a coach ukuthi whoever oza phambi kwakho, whether big or small, you just don't have to be afraid. Go straight to him or her. Make sure ukuthi vele you do what you've learned from your coaches. If you listen, ukhumbula whatever that you do in the field when we're practicing, trust me, you're gonna make sure ukuthi yonke into yakho ihamba kahle. So I've learned that from them. They were very scared, but benza sure ukuthi they're gonna win that game. I was very proud because it was their second game playing. So yeah, as Mzinoni rugby coach, we are very proud to say that we have 3 players from our team who got selected for Springbok. 2 of them were last year and then 1 is this year. They are going for Springbok camp soon, so we're very proud of that, and we're waiting for more players to be selected so that they can go nationally. Springbok, who can go there? It's not easy, but we trust and believe that most of our players here will got selected and go high. The message that I have for our Mzinoni players, the current one, is that they should not give up. It's not an easy way going up, but they should stick to what we always say to them. They must trust the process. Ayikho into ezakalula, yonke into inesiqalo sayo iphinde ibe nesiphetho sayo, and isiphetho sakhona if ubekezela isiphetho esihle. So engakusho mina ukuthi they should keep on doing it. Siyabashalta, yes, it sounds but abangakuskwateli as coaches ukuthi we shouting them or what, but bona babe nalento nje, babe nothando enhlizweni ukuthi they still gonna go far. Bazithembe kwabona, babe na self-confidence, bangaziyekeleli endleleni. We're gonna go far. And then to the ones who still want to join, I would say to them, come, you are welcome. Asikhethi bala lo muntu, wonke umuntu uvumelekile ukuthi azojoina, and it's not hard kona. So phathana kahle nje. If unalo uphupho lalokwenza lento le, go for it. Yonke into izokhambela kahle if you believe. Trust me, you must trust the process. Uzithembe kwa wena ukuthi vele you can do this. Wonke umuntu uvumelekile ukuthi asijoine, asikhethi nje, allowed, and we're gonna feel at home zokhululeka.
From player to mentor, Kethokuhle Vilakazi continues to inspire the next generation, proving that leadership in sports knows no gender. Her journey reminds us that with courage and commitment, every dream is worth the tackle. Stay tuned with Dope Hot and Fresh Local Sports for more stories that moves the game forward. If it's Dope Hot and Fresh, we've got to talk about it.
Yeah.